Okay, let's take a quick look at this Mileseey S50 measurement tool, and the tool should be inside, just like that. That easy. And oh, it's a hard shell case. I like that. Really cool. With a honeycomb design. Okay, what else is here? Inspection pass, nice. Really cool unboxing experience, I gotta say. They really took their time to make this look good. What is in this blue box now? Nosy tools, let's see. Lanyard, yes. Oh, these are actually rechargeable batteries. Nice. 1800 milliamp 1.2 volts. Really cool. USB-C to type A to charge. I like that braided cable. Okay, I like what I see so far. User's manual, if you want to consult and kind of learn the tool more. And that's actually a good, cool box, gotta tell you. Really nice. S50, how to use it. Okay, I like this. Really cool. Nice. Oh, this feels robust. Has a really good grip. What is on the side here? Don't stare into the beam. Also, it's one of the lasers here. Another one here. Wow. This has, oh, it has a half screw here to mount it on a tripod. Really nice class 2 laser. Can open it here, looks like, for the batteries. Really, oh, really nice. I like that. Okay. Let's pop batteries in. And this is so cool. Okay, and turn on. Ooh, okay. I'm liking it. Minimum and maximum 7 feet and 5 inches. Yeah, because it's hitting the wall there. So we have this one here, continuous, point to point, A to B. Nice. We have wall area. We have just surface area. Volume. Oh, nice. Indirect length, like angles, indirect height of an angle, indirect height of two angles in relation to a surface, Pythagoras. Oh, whoa, this gets a little bit in depth here. Wow, there's so many Pythagoras measurements here. Trapezium length and all that, triangular area, circular area, cylinder volume, stakeout, nice, and single length. This is continuous. This is where we had it single length. Oh, look at what? Okay, so I'm hitting a wall there. 8 feet and 10 inches. Yeah, that sounds like around it. I think this room wall to wall is 12 feet. Let me put it on the wall really quick and hit that other wall. I think it's 12 feet. I'm not sure about that. Right there. Okay, so it says it's 1203. That is cool. The other ones are me trying and failing, but it is 12 feet and 03. Yeah, that depends on the angle. So it's actually quite accurate. This is accurate. Okay, so this here looks like a leveler. Let me see. Oh yeah, actually it goes up to 0. This is cool. What does this do? Oh, look at that, the side laser. What does this measure? That's some kind of angle. Yep, let me put it against the wall itself. Right there. Okay, 7 feet. At this point, it should be a little bit more because I'm trying to hit it on the wall itself. Let me see. Yep, 705. That sounds like it. Let me put this in front of it and see what it does. Minus 705 because I put this on the middle of measuring. So it can tell actually if you block the laser. This is cool. History. So here we can check things we measured already. I can delete the history. Not going to. This is the back button right here. Wow. This is actually really cool. Gotta tell you. And what else do we do here? Oh, so this is the switch button that you can measure forward or side, or depending on the type of measurement you're doing. And here you choose what you're measuring. Click this, and with the arrows, you can go left or right. You can do continuous. Let me do continuous. What does it do? Oh, so it keeps counting every time you are measuring something. Let me put it there. Oh, yeah. 1 to 9. Wow. This is cool. 9, yep. Let me put it a little bit less than 9. 8. Yeah, it is actually accurate. Because I'm hitting materials that are closer to me just to trick it. But nope. It actually knows what it's doing. In this box here. Yes, 006. Look at that. 03. Does it go in the... Ah, okay, weak signal because it's too close now. Look at this thing. 04. Okay, so let me put this here. I'm gonna try to hit this angle right here. Oh, but you guys don't see it. Cool. This is 357 right now. Let me put this right here too. Yeah, it says 311, but this is a Harbor Freight, so it's not going to be exact. Look at that. So it's actually good. I'll put this on max. This max is kind of at 6. Ooh, look at this thing. This is actually right on the dot. It is actually accurate. Cool. I like that. Really like that. Ever need here. And the settings. We didn't talk about those yet. Let's talk about it. So we have units that looks like we can do on centimeters, millimeters, meters, feet, inch, 16th of an inch, 32nd of an inch. This is a lot. Wow. I'm gonna leave it on feet. Link. What does that link do? Does it connect to something? Okay, look at that. On the Tuya app that I already use for other devices, actually it found it right away once you turn on that link. And I'm just gonna click to add it, and it will add it in a second. Boom. That's it. That's all it took. You can auto rotate, offset, you can do timer, background, change fonts, beeper, digital level that we saw. Look at that. Let me see. Oh yeah, it actually works pretty good. Goes back to normal. So it has a gyroscope or gyrometer, whatever you want to call that inside. That's actually quite advanced. What else do we have here? Favorite function and language. That's it. That's all we need. This is really cool. And of course, we can just go back to normal measurements. Oh, look at that. So once you measure something, it gives it to the app right away. So you keep almost like a note. Let me put it to the wall again. Right there. Okay. Wow. This is actually fast. Boom. And it goes to your app right away. This is cool. This is cool. Really, it is that good. Let me see what it does when you plug it on charge. Even though the battery seems to be full right now and doesn't look to have a need for charge. Let me put it here. Yep, it says charger. Nice. And the battery level is moving. And we have one of these that I somehow forgot to remove. This is really cool. I'm not going to go in more depth because I'm not a construction specialist, but this is going to come in very handy for me for around the house too. And a really beautiful tool, telling you right now. And I love the storage options or storing. You can put actually the thingy here. We can put the lanyard. Yeah, this is gonna go on my tool collection right away. And you just turn it off and it stays there for you. What else can I say? It's quite an accurate instrument based on what I tested here and you saw it yourself. And that said, just goes back in here when you're done with it and close the baggie that stores it. Boom. So now it can go with your other tools. Even though the box it came in is actually really cool. Look at that. I would definitely not mind at all storing it on this box and keeping it like this. Really cool. Really good job on this one.